Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by choosing a focused thesis and two precise questions because clarity guides research and keeps viewers engaged. Once done, grab 3 to 5 primary sources and a couple of solid secondary texts so your claims have evidence. Make sure to set camera, mic, and lighting now, frame at 16:9 and run quick audio checks. These first steps prevent rewrites later and get you into production mode fast. Start recording as soon as your facts and technical checks line up. You move from notes to a structured outline because structure shapes viewer retention. Include a hook, context, argument, evidence, and a tight conclusion. Once outlined, write a 200 to 600-word script or a draft that times around 8 to 12 minutes so pacing fits attention spans. Record main segments and immediately capture B-roll and source shots. Label clips and archive timestamps to speed editing. Make your rough cut focusing on logical flow and evidence. You can refine tone and visuals later. You finalize by editing for clarity. Remove tangents, tighten transitions, and balance audio so viewers stay focused. Once polished, add captions, source cards, 1 to 2 minute chapter markers, and a compelling thumbnail to improve accessibility and clicks. Make sure your upload includes an SEO title, 3 to 5 relevant tags, and a clear description with timestamps. If engagement underperforms, troubleshoot by checking watch time graphs, /B testing thumbnails, and reworking opening 30 seconds to improve retention.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.